This video will walk you through various methods to access Google Cloud on Android, including using apps and web browsers. Part 1. How to access Google Cloud on Android devices with Google Cloud app. Step 1. Download and install the Google Cloud app from the Google Play Store. Step 2. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. Step 3. Navigate through the dashboard to manage your Google Cloud resources. One advantage of using the app is its push notifications for alerts and updates, which help you stay informed about your cloud activities. However, a potential downside is that it might not offer the full range of functionalities available on the web version. Part 2. How to access Google Cloud Platform (GCP) from a web browser. If you prefer using a web browser, accessing Google Cloud Platform (GCP) is equally easy. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser on your Android device. Step 2. Go to the Google Cloud Console website. Step 3. Sign in with your Google account. Step 4. Navigate the interface to manage your resources. The web version is ideal for users who prefer a larger interface and extra features not available in the app. It offers detailed tools for managing cloud services, though the mobile user experience may be less optimized than the dedicated app. Part 3. How to access Google Cloud Photos on Android via Google Photos. Step 1. Ensure the Google Photos app is installed on your device. Step 2. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. Step 3. Your cloud photos will automatically sync and be accessible within the app. Google Photos allows easy viewing, organizing, and sharing of cloud-stored photos with advanced editing tools, automatic backups, and sharing options. However, high-resolution uploads can use up data and storage, though the app offers options to manage and optimize storage. Part 4. How to use Google Cloud services on mobile devices via Google Drive app. Step 1. Download the Google Drive app from the Play Store. Step 2. Sign in with your Google account. Step 3. Access your files, documents, and other data stored in Google Cloud directly from the app. Google Drive is a versatile tool for storing various file types, offering offline access and collaboration features. Its integration with Google Workspace enhances productivity, allowing easy document creation, editing, and sharing. However, free accounts may face storage limits, and upgrading may be necessary for extra space. If Google Drive isn't working, this guide can help.